Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. A lot of users have this question in their minds. They start YouTube with excitement, but after some time, they get tired and feel like they should delete their channel. So in today's video, I'll show you the complete process of deleting your YouTube channel permanently. Right now, you can see this is my YouTube channel, and it has more than 51 subscribers. Simply go to the settings option. After opening settings, scroll down and you'll find the Google option. Click on it. As soon as you click there, all your Gmail accounts will appear here. Now you need to log in with the Gmail account whose YouTube channel you want to delete. So here, I've selected the account that I want to delete. Now click on the Google account option. You'll see it at the top. Once you click on it, your Gmail account settings will open. After that, scroll down and click on the Data and Privacy option. Then scroll all the way down and you'll find the Delete Your Google Account option. Click on it. As soon as you click there, it may take a few seconds to load, and then a new pop-up page will open. Here, you'll need to complete your fingerprint verification or any security verification. After verification, your Gmail account details will appear on the screen. Now scroll down again. Here you can see your YouTube channel is also showing, and it has 38 uploaded videos. You can also see your contacts, calendar, and some Play Store settings connected to this Gmail account. Now scroll down a little more. Here you'll see two conditions or confirmation boxes. Tick both of them. After that, you'll see the Delete Account button below. Click on it. As soon as you click on Delete Account, another new page will open. If you want to recover your account later, you may be able to recover it for a limited time. Otherwise, your Google account will be deleted permanently. Now I'll go back and open the account section again. Here you can see that the Gmail account has been removed from the list. Now let's open YouTube Studio. As soon as I open YouTube Studio, you can see the channel is no longer showing here, and YouTube Studio is asking me to log in with another channel. Now I'll log in with another account. After logging in, if I click on Switch Account, you can see that the previous Gmail account is completely gone from here. That means our YouTube channel has been permanently deleted. So this is how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then subscribe to the channel, like the video.